Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this 2013 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So you're going to start by popping this cover off. This is a 15 millimeter nut you'll need to take off right here to remove the wipers. Make a line here so that you know where this lined up. To get this wiper to pop off, all I did was put this nut on here. I just turned it on a few turns, and then I held this part right here, and then I just hit this part with a hammer and it popped loose. Same process on this side over here. Use a T25 Torx to take out these two bolts right here. Now we're going to pop these clips off. These are really simple to get off. Just stick something behind here, pull them right out. Now you can reach in here and just wiggle and pop this up. There's a couple of clips across here, and you just pop this thing right out. Now you're going to use an 8 millimeter deep socket to get this bolt right here and this bolt right here. Same on the other side over here, right here, and right here, and you'll be able to take this tray out. Now we've got good access to our battery here. There's usually a cover here that a lot of people take off and don't put back in there. Just take it out. Take a 10 millimeter and remove this nut and this nut. Pull this strap out. Take your 10 millimeter again, loosen this nut, and then we can pop our cables here off. Now that we've got our cables pulled off to the side, we can pull our battery up and out of here. I will have a new battery here linked down in the description below where you can get one online. This takes a 96R group size battery. Pop your battery in here, start putting your cables back on here. This is how you want your negative cable to look. Now you can tighten your two 10 millimeter nuts back down here, put your strap back across here, and start reassembling things. When you put this back in, you just need to line these clips up. So you're just going to line up those white lines that you had there, then replace your nut here and torque it down. Make sure you don't get the wipers backwards or flipped around. So make sure when you take this one off, you put it maybe on this side of the vehicle and take that one off, put it on that side of the vehicle so the lines go with the right spot. These caps just push right back on. If this video is helpful to you, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.